Good morning, beloved brothers and sisters. The daily word for today is from Ezekiel 12 verse 25. For I am the Lord. I speak, and the word which I speak will come to pass. It will no more be postponed. And today's scripture is from Galatians 3 verse 8. The scripture, foreseeing that God would justify the Gentiles by faith, preached the gospel to Abraham beforehand, saying, "In you all the nations shall be blessed." Have a blessed day.